Hello children, hope you are all doing good. I am your social teacher Aisha. Children, till previous class we completed weather and climate and equatorial region. In this session we are going to start with the tundra region, that is Greenland. Okay, so we have known about the equatorial region, which is near the poles, right near the equator, which receives hot and humid climate. Now we are going to learn about the tundra region, which is actually a frigid zone near the poles. Where this tundra region lies is near the poles, it is North Pole and South Pole. Near the North Pole and South Pole, what we have Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Okay, somewhere around 60 to 70 degrees, this poles rise. Okay. In equatorial region, we were completely discussing near the hot climate. Now we are going to discuss about the frigid zone. There is Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. It is also known as cold desert. These are known as cold desert. Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle is known as cold desert. Okay, in this chapter completely we are learning about the Greenland. Where does Greenland lies? Greenland lies near the northeast of Canada. Okay, this Greenland lies near the northeast of Canada. Canada is a country. Okay, it's a country. Okay, near the northeast. We have four divisions, right? North, south, west, east. Then we have northeast, southeast. Then we have northwest and southwest. Right. So Greenland lies near northeast. Okay. Start. Okay. Greenland lies to the northeast of Canada. Then most of the Greenland falls in Arctic Circle. Most of the Greenland found in Arctic Circle, my children. Okay. Most of the Greenland part we will find in Arctic Circle. Okay. It is the largest island in the world. Greenland is the largest island in the world. It has the Atlantic Ocean to the south and Arctic Ocean to the north. Greenland has Antarctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean to the south and Arctic Ocean to the north. Okay. Antarctic Ocean to the south and Arctic Ocean to the north. Who was the first? First European was Eric the Red. Okay, first European was Eric the Red. He gave island its name. Okay, Greenland. Then Greenland belongs to European country of Denmark. For whom does Greenland belong? Greenland belongs to European country of Denmark. I repeat, children. First is Denmark. Then European country belongs to Denmark, and it has its own government since 1981. Since 1981, they have their own government. The local people prefer to call their island Kalit Nunat, which means our land. So, people of Denmark, people of Greenland, what they will call? They will call their island Kalit Nunat, which means our land. Inupiaq means in their language. Inupiaq. Greenland's capital is Gotha. What is Greenland capital? Gotha. Now, Nuuk located on west coast. Now it is named as Nuuk. I repeat everything. See here. First of all, we have studied about the equatorial region, which is near to the equator. Okay, this land is near to the poles. Poles, that is North Pole and South Poles. Okay. So in this poles, it is a completely frigid zone, complete cold desert. Okay, cold desert. And it is also known as tundra region, a cold desert. In this chapter, we are going to study about the Greenland. Greenland lies near the northeast of Canada. Okay, most of it is near Arctic Circle itself. It is the largest island in the world. Greenland is the largest island in the world. And the first European was Eric the Red, and he gave the name Greenland. Okay. Then in 1981, then European country of Denmark. Greenland belongs to European country of Denmark. Then in 1981, they formed their own government. People they called their island they prefer to call as Kalit Nunat, which means Inupiaq. It is everything in your textbook, children. If you are finding my words, you are not able to get, see here. Kalit Nunat, which means Inupiaq in their language. Okay, and Greenland's capital is Gotha, now known as Nuuk, which is located in the west coast. Now we are learning about the climate and vegetation. Now climate and vegetation. How the climate is? Since Greenland is far away from the equator, there is no proper sunrise. Okay, since it's very far away from the equator, the sun rays will winters are cold. Winters are long. It is less cool in winter. Summers say for only for 3 months completely it's a winter. Winters are very long and harsh. In summers it's a less cold. But winters are long and very harsh, children. Sometimes sun cannot be seen in the weeks. Sometimes sun we cannot see in the week. And in summer the sun shines even at midnight. In summer it's 20 hours, children. In summer whole 20 hours the sun shines. Even in midnight the sun will shine over there. So it is known as land of midnight sun. Greenland is known as land of midnight sun. I will repeat once again. Climate of summers, because it is away from the equatorial region and it is near the frigid zone. There the sun rays won't properly fall over there. Okay. Summers are very less over there. Somewhere around 2 to 3 months itself. But summers are also cold over there because sun rays are not over there. Okay. But winters are very long and harsh. If we come for summer, somewhere around 20 hours a day, sun will rise. Even in the midnight also you can see the sun is rising. So it is known as land of midnight sun. Okay. The island looks white at about 80% of its area, which is permanently undercovered ice and snow. Like how we have in other forests in our country. During summers we will have normal range of sun and heat and winter, right? But in Greenland, it is completely, summer is also cold, winters are very harsh and cold. Okay. The island looks about 80% of area, and the island which has 80, there are no trees, children. There is no trees. Okay, it's completely so. About 80% it is completely snow, ice and snow over there. Okay, a thick sheet of ice called ice cap covers the land. A thick sheet of ice cap, like how we have sheets, same way that ice, like how we have paper over there, sheet over there, same way ice is covered like a thick sheet completely in the Greenland. Okay, these are known as icebergs. Okay, the big, large masses of the ice are known as iceberg. Here you can see the icebergs. See, these are all the icebergs. These icebergs are very dangerous, children. These icebergs are very dangerous. Most of this are part of this iceberg. See, some part will be upside. If I come to this iceberg, some part will be very visible, but down it will be so big. Okay, some part will be visible, only this much it will be visible, but down it is so big. These are very deadly dangerous. If people are traveling through this Greenland part through the ocean, they should be very careful while traveling. Okay. Due to the fog and all, sometimes people can't see if they are traveling from the ship in the water, but in the oceans and seas, because of these icebergs. And sometimes, most of the times, it will start to smoke in the falls of mist. It will start. It will completely invisible. You can't see properly. That time, sailors should be very careful while driving this, because these icebergs are very deadly dangerous. If they go and hit, even we can't find a single thing of us. So we should be very careful while driving. Okay, sailors will be very careful. Hence the region is always covered with ice. Vegetation is sparse, means none of the vegetation. Most of them people will eat only animals over there. They will hunt and eat the animals. Because there is no soil in it. If there is no soil, how can people grow there? There is no crops at all. If there is no soil, nothing can be grown. So people will prefer to eat non-veg only over there, animals only. They hunt and kill the animals. Okay. And some plants they can grow, like ice plants are cross cotton grass, lichens, they are all the plants that are grown over there, but it's not fit for eating. Then wildlife, there are some like polar bears. Polar bears is very important, right? You have heard about in polar region which animal stays? Polar bear stays in the polar region. Okay, and many animals are there like reindeer, hedgehogs. Many animals are there over there. Seals, walrus, share, then sharks, whales are all there in the Greenland. And many animals also are there like snow hare, musk ox, wolves, and like the huskies. Okay, they are this animals. If you are going to visit, people go to visit the Greenland. There is no proper transportation, like no railways and no what they will do, they will take it like a tourist attraction over there. Hedgehogs or huskies, what they will do, you can sit back of them, they will make like a big cardboard type without them. Okay, here you can sit, and front there will be huskies, dogs, wolves, muskox, they will pull and go. You can sit like how we have horse service, no? Horse table like this, they will pull and go. Okay children, and wildlife is like this. Most common animals with thick furry coats are those which can be strong. Why they can stay? Why ma'am? When it is so cold, when people are not able to survive so cold, how can they stay? Because their skin is very thick. Their fur is very thick. It will prevent them from cold. Okay, and people also will eat that animals to prevent them cold from the cold. Okay, and animals like polar bear, reindeer, Arctic fox, snow hare, musk ox, wolf, and huskies. They are the animals over there. Okay. Then and birds also will start to migrate children. In summer time, birds will migrate and they will come to the polar region. Okay. And some of the water animals are seals, walrus, whales are found near the waters. Then life of people. Children, first of all, the people's height is very like a dwarf type, small, somewhere around 150 centimeters, 6 feet, they will be there. Very short, okay, they are known as dwarf somewhere around there. Okay, and interior regions are not inhabited. Their interior regions are not inhabited. There is not much people over there. People live somewhere around 60,000, less than 60,000 children in Greenland. Only less than, we have crores over here, right? But in Greenland, we have only 60,000 of people living there. Okay, and about this and life of the people, I will be saying in the next video. Okay, but I want everyone to read the textbook, and I am just going to give a quick recap of everything. Okay, the Tundra region. Okay, children. So the Tundra region, lesson number 5. Okay, we have studied about the equatorial region. Now we are going to study about the Tundra region. Tundra region is particularly we are doing about the Greenland. Near equatorial region, we have studied about the sunrise directly falling to the equator part of the South Africa, DRC. Now in Tundra region, we are learning about the Greenland. Okay, this Tundra region is completely situated near the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Okay, it is a completely frigid zone. Okay, it's also known as cold deserts and Tundra region. Okay, now in this chapter, we are going to study about the Greenland. Greenland lies where? Greenland lies near the northeast of Canada. I repeat, Greenland lies near the northeast of Canada. Most of the Greenland falls in Arctic Circle and very close to the North Pole. Most of the Greenland part falls in the Arctic Circle and very close to the North Pole. Okay. It has the Atlantic Ocean to the south and Arctic Ocean to the north. It has Atlantic Ocean to the south and Arctic Ocean to the north. Then it is the largest island in the world. Greenland is the largest island in the world. And first European was an explorer called Eric the Red. He explored, like how Columbus has discovered America. Same way, first European who visited Greenland, he was an explorer. His name was Eric the Red, and he gave the island the name Greenland. Okay, Greenland belongs to the European country of Denmark. For whom this Greenland belongs? Greenland belongs to the European country of Denmark. And from 1981, it has its own government. Okay, like how we have our own government from 1950. Even same way, in 1981, Greenland has its own government. People prefer them to call their island as a Kalalit. Kalalita Nunat. Okay, Kalalit Nunat, which means our land. Meaning is Inupiat in their language. Okay, Greenland's capital is Gotha. Now Nuuk, N-U-U-K, Nuuk. Okay. Then climate and vegetation. As I said, climate, because it is very far away from the equator, people are not receiving enough amount of sun rays. Because they are not receiving enough amount of sun rays, it is very cold, frigid zone, very very cold. Okay, because of the cold region, we can say that summers are too small over there and winters are too long. And days are too small, nights are too long. If there is no sun, obviously days are short and nights are long. And during summers, in the land, at 20 hours, the sun will be rising over there. In the midnight also, you can see that sun has been rising over there. So it has got the name Land of Midnight Sun. Greenland, Norway has got the name Land of Midnight sun, because at the midnight also the sun will be, you can see that sun is rising over there. Okay. Then you can say summers are too cold but winters are too harsh and very cold. Then island looks 80% of island is covered with a thin ice sheet. 80% of island is covered with the snow itself. Okay. The average thickness of ice is about 1,500 kilometers. The average thickness, minimum the amount thickness of ice is 1,500 kilometers. Imagine how it will be the maximum. If average is only 1,500 kilometers, imagine the maximum. Then large parts of ice are there over there, and for example iceberg, you can see just visit a small of the iceberg above the sea, but if you see under the water a big box of ice, there are big blocks which are deadly and very dangerous. If sailors are traveling near the Greenland with the help of with the ship, they should be very careful when traveling this. Okay. Then vegetation is there is not nil amount of vegetation because there is no soil over there, no sun rays over there, so the vegetation is very rare, very sparse, no proper vegetarian food over there, no rice, no dal, no pulses. Okay, people prefer to kill the animals, they will hunt the animals and they will eat. Wildlife, if we go, there are many animals like cold animals like polar bear, Arctic fox, snow hare, musk ox, wolf, huskies. These are all the animals which are there in Greenland, that is frigid zones, tundra region. Okay, and water animals are seals, walrus and whales which are found near the water. Okay children, I have done clear it. I hope everyone have understood. If not, we will meet in our interactive session and we will clear our doubts. Okay, take care children. Bye bye.